Cue the light on credit repair myth busting. Think it's a quick fix? Nope, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Credit repair agencies can erase bad credit. Wrong again. They help dispute errors, not erase legitimate dings. Only time and good habits can do that. And the biggest myth of all, you can't do it alone. Sure, DIY is possible, but experts like Blue Consulting Worldwide can guide you through the credit maze. Imagine having a personal credit coach. That's us. And here's a golden nugget. We're opening our doors to 10 more credit journeyers. Ready to bust those credit myths? Just comment Blue. Let the credit repair adventure begin with Blue Consulting Worldwide. Remember, understanding credit isn't a privilege, it's a right. Let's delve deeper into the power of Blue. You've heard us mention it before, but what does it truly mean? When you comment the word Blue, you're not just typing a word. You're making a commitment to better credit, to financial empowerment, and to a future of endless possibilities. It's a declaration that you're ready to bust those credit myths and navigate the credit maze with us. So let's make it official. As we conclude this video, a text overlay will appear on your screen saying "Comment Blue." Type it in the comments section. This simple action is the first step in your credit repair journey with Blue Consulting Worldwide. Remember, you're not alone in this. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way. So are you ready to embrace the power of Blue? Let's do this together. Comment the word Blue and let your credit repair adventure begin.